Welcome guys to another Unreal Engine tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get literally at least 100 gigabytes back of storage. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is open up your Epic Games launcher. Now go to Unreal Engine, go to Library, scroll down, and over here you can see the total size of all locally cached vault content. The Unreal Engine keeps a copy every single piece of vault content that you get inside the vault, and I'll be showing you how to delete it so you can get all the storage back. So just go then in the bottom left corner, go to settings, go to Epic Vault Cache Collection, click browse, and then you can just delete all of this. I'm not gonna delete this because I like it. I like all that cached because it makes everything load faster. But for you guys, I would highly recommend doing it. So that's the end of today's tutorial. Please subscribe, leave a comment. I'm responding to every single comment. I'm making a video on every single comment. Just give me 1 or 2 days to process it, and I'll get it right through. So yeah, bye.